Gradelink helps ensure attendance is taken on time and parents are notified of any absences. In this video, we'll show you how to check for any missed absences and how to automate attendance notifications. To see if any teachers forgot to take attendance, go to Administrator Reports, Uncompleted Attendance. If you see a blank screen, it means everyone took attendance. If any teacher forgot to take attendance, their name will be listed here. You can use the date picker to view past dates. If you're using class attendance, you can also filter classes based on the time they start. Gradelink can notify admins and teachers if attendance wasn't taken in a timely manner. Go to Settings, Date, Time. Choose the time that you want attendance to be taken. Then check Also Notify Teachers to notify the teacher if they forget to take attendance. You can choose which admins receive notifications for uncompleted attendance by going to the Staff tab, selecting their name, and under Notifications, check Receive Notifications for Uncompleted Attendance. If you need to edit attendance for a prior day, go to Attendance, select the class, and then select the date. If the screen is blank, no one took attendance for that day. If attendance was taken, feel free to edit and press Submit Changes when you're done. To view a list of absent students, go to Administrator Reports, Attendance List. If you have both daily and class attendance on, then you'll have the option to choose between daily and class attendance. The report will allow you to filter by date, attendance mark, grade level, and even campus. Student contact info is listed here for a streamlined process for contacting parents. Students and parents can opt to receive email notifications of attendance whenever a student is marked as absent, tardy, or experiences other attendance-related statuses. Administrators can view alerts sent to students or parents by going to Students, Academics, Alert Log. At the bottom, you can see the body of the email. Gradelink automatically tracks attendance and alerts parents. It automatically alerts admins if teachers forget to take attendance and notifies parents of any absences. For more tips, visit help.gradelink.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel.